Why the shape of liquid droplets is a spherical? The reason is only surface tension. Yes, today's topic is about surface tension. Before we look at the definition of surface tension, let's look at its concept, how it works, what is responsible for surface tension. We will see all this now. This is a container which contains liquid molecule. You can see here the particles in the bulk of the liquid are uniformly attracted in all directions, and the net force acting on the molecules present inside the bulk is zero. That is, there is no force in molecules which are present in bulk. But at the surface area, there are no molecules. That is, at the surface area, these molecules are not attracted in all directions. They experience imbalance force, that is, they are more attracted in a downward direction. And here, surface act as a stretch membrane. Therefore, liquids have tendency to minimize their surface area. That's why the shape of liquid droplets are spherical in shape, and this property of liquid is known as surface tension. Now, what is responsible for surface tension? The answer is cohesive force. Cohesive force is the action or property of like molecules being mutually attractive. You can see here the cohesive forces between molecules in the bulk liquid are shared with all the neighboring molecules, and those on the surface have no neighboring molecules above, and they experience stronger attractive forces upon their nearest neighbors on and below the surface. Now let's see the definition of surface tension. The tension of the surface area of a liquid caused by the attraction of the particles in the surface layer by the bulk of the liquid, which tends to minimize surface area. Second definition, the force acting per unit length perpendicular to the line drawn on the surface of liquid is called surface tension. And definition number 3, it is a very simple definition. Surface tension is the tendency of liquid surfaces shrink into the minimum surface area. And this is a unit of surface tension.